When you think about what's true about God, generally you can divide it into two helpful categories. And one is a list of things that would never be true of humans because we're limited creatures. And so those are things like God being omniscient or omnipotent. They're all related to His being an infinite being. But then there's a second list, and it's things that are true about God. Now, they're infinitely true about God, but they can be true about us in our limited human capacity, and that is the list of His communicable attributes. And so those are things like God is loving. Well, I can be loving. God is just. I can be just. God is gracious. I can be gracious. And so those are always really good for us to explore, because that's the list that when you look at it, if you're paying attention, you're staring at the face of Christ, because Christ is the one who bore the image of God perfectly in human form. And so it's a good list for us to spend time meditating on, because it can answer some pretty important questions for us.